Hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed all the relationships, these soil water relationships. So from this video onwards we will solve some numericals on these soil water relationships so that you will be getting idea, and after practicing these questions on soil water relationships I will solve previous year GATE questions. So these are some of the example problems from this Aurora textbook. So I'll solve some 10 questions, 10 practice questions on these soil water relationships. So as I said, later I'll solve previous year GATE questions. Now let us solve these questions. First, in every question, just write the given data first, and based on this given data, what has been asked in the problem, you just write down, and after that, you just start solving. So, in this step only, I'll solve each and every numerical. First, let us read the question. The mass of a chunk of moist soil. So the mass of a chunk of moist soil means it is having water also. That means here total weight is given. How much it is given? 20 kg. So 20 kg. This is total weight of the soil. So that is one given data, and its volume is 0.011 meter cube. So total volume is also given 0.011 meter cube. So after drying in an oven, the mass reduces to 16.5 kg. So this total weight is given. So this soil has been kept in the oven. So after keeping in the oven, its mass reduces to 16.5 kg. That means he is indirectly saying weight of solids. So we know that total weight is equal to weight of water plus weight of solids. If he keeps that soil in the oven, then automatically the water content will be 0. So the weight of the soil will be 16.5 kg. So these are the three contents he has given, and also Z-val is equal to, specific gravity is equal to 2.70 he has given. So what has been asked? Determine the water content. So what has been asked? First, water content we have to find out. This is the first unknown, and after that the density of moist soil. Matlab bulk density. Gamma B is equal to what? And then dry density, gamma D is also asked. Gamma D is equal to what? And after that void ratio, that means E is equal to what? And porosity and the degree of saturation. Porosity, N is equal to what? And sixth one, degree of saturation, S is equal to what? So based on the given data only, we will be finding out one by one unknown parameter based on our relationships, phase relationships. So okay, so first we'll solve one by one. Okay, so total weight is given, and he kept in the oven this soil. That means weight of water can be found out from here. So weight of water is equal to total weight minus weight of solids. Total weight is equal to how much? 20 kg minus weight of solids is equal to 16.5 kg. 16.5 kg. That means from here 20 minus 16.5. So 3.5 kg will be the weight of water. So if we know the weight of water and weight of solids, water content can be found out. So I'm just calculating here. So water content is equal to weight of water to the weight of solids. So weight of water, how much it is? 3.5 kg, and weight of solids is 16.5 kg. Okay, that is what I am writing here. 3.5 kg and weight of solids is 16.5 kg. So divided by 16.5 kg. So it is coming around 0.2121. That means 21.21%. 21.21%. So this is the first one he has asked. So first unknown. And then what he has asked? So bulk density. We know that bulk density is equal to total weight of the soil to its volume. Total weight is equal to how much? 20 kg. Volume is equal to how much? 0.011. So that means gamma B can be found out. So gamma B is equal to total weight of the soil to the volume of the soil. Total weight is 20 kg and total volume will be 0.011 meter cube. So that is what I am doing. 20 kg divided by 0.011 meter cube. So if you calculate how much it is coming around, 20 divided by 0.011. So it is coming around 1818.18 kg per meter cube. 1818.18 kg per meter cube. So gamma B is also found out. And next, third one. Again what he has asked. So we found out water content, we found out gamma B. So gamma D he has asked. So we have the relationship between gamma D in terms of bulk unit weight and water content. So that relation, by using that relationship, I am going to find out gamma D. So third one, what has been asked in the problem? Gamma D, dry unit weight. Gamma D is equal to gamma B by 1 plus W. So gamma B is equal to how much? 1818.18 kg per meter cube divided by 1 plus water content will be how much? Just now we have found out 0.2121. So if you calculate 1 plus 0.2121, 1818.18 divided by, so it is coming around 1500. 0.0 means 1500 only. 1500 kg per meter cube. 1500 kg per meter cube. So gamma D can be found out, and it is coming around 1500 kg per meter cube. So next one, what has been asked in the problem? So E, void ratio. So we can find this one also, void ratio, by using our relationships only. So void ratio we have to find out. So we have the relationship between void ratio in terms of specific gravity and unit weight of water. So Z gamma W by 1 plus E we have, G gamma W by 1 plus E we have. So from this, how can we write E? E is equal to G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. I am sending 1 plus E to left side and gamma D to right side. And plus 1 if it comes to the right hand side direction, then it will be minus 1. So G has already given. G is how much? 2.70. And gamma W is gamma W in terms of kg per meter cube. How much we can take? 1000 kg per meter cube we can take. Since he hasn't mentioned anything, so I have already discussed when to take the gamma value and how to take the gamma value if it is not given. So G is equal to how much? G is equal to how much? 2.70, that he has given. And gamma W is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube divided by gamma D. How much? We just now we found out 1500 kg per meter cube minus 1. So if you calculate 1000 divided by 1500 into 2.70 minus 1, so E is coming around 0.8, that means 80%. So E is coming around, so how much? Yeah, E is coming around 0.80. Okay, E we found out, and what else we have to find out? We have to find out N and degree of saturation also. Now, so now this is which one? Fifth one or sixth one? Fifth one. So now N is equal to, we know, if we know E, then we have formula N is equal to E by 1 plus E. E is coming around 0.80 divided by 1 plus E 0.80. If you find out 0.8 divided by 1.80, so it is 0.444 or 44.4%. So N is also we have found out. And next one, so S we have to find out. S. So we have the relationship. What is that relationship? So E into S is equal to GS into W. E into S is equal to GS into W. So E we already found out 0.80 into S, that only we have to find out. So G value, this is already given 2.70 into water content we found out 0.2121. Now if we find out the value of S, 2.70 into 0.2121 divided by 0.80, so it is coming around 0.7158, that is 71.58%. So this is the degree of saturation. I hope we have found out all the contents, means parameters which are asked in the problem. Water content we found out, bulk density we found out, dry density we found out, void ratio we found out, porosity we found out, degree of saturation we found out. So what I would like to convey is, first just write down clearly what has been asked in the question. Then based on that, from the given data, what we can find out first. So that you find out. So weight is given, weight of solids is given. Immediately we can find the weight of water. So if we find the weight of water, then automatically we can find out water content. So if we find out water content, then it will be useful in calculating the gamma d. And also he has given total weight, he has given volume, he has given bulk unit weight can be calculated. From that gamma d we have calculated. If we find out gamma d, then we have the relationship gamma d is equal to g gamma w by 1 plus e. So we found out e. If we find out e, then n can easily be calculated. Based on that, s we found out, e we know, g we know, water content we know, s we have to find out by using the relation e into s is equal to gs into w. So this is one simple example question. Like this we can solve some practice questions. So after that, as I told you, I'll solve the previous year questions which has been asked in the GATE from this soil water relationships. So thanks for watching my video. If you find the content is useful, please like my video and subscribe as well. Thank you.